Let's start the communication to message instruction for the three controllers. Here we have selected three controllers, is the controller in the slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, and all three controller we configure in the three programs, which is the C11 C155 and CIP161 and media. Three controller we have for the three programs. All the three programs we configured the three, and each program have an individual controller. Here also the same controller, three controllers. Then start with the configuration of message instruction. You need to first create your the message tag, which is data type is the message. And here I recreated two tags. This is the CIP master, and here I read data from C155, and here I message read from media, and the data type is message. And where the destination of the read data is my message media, CIP 161 message read from the media, and CIP 161 message read from the C155. These two tags read data from the media controller and C155 controller. Here these four tags we need to configure, and for the data write, here I have created the message 1 and message 2. In message 1 and message 2 we can write the data, and that will be reflect into the reader. So we will go to the reader, and here we can see the reader. Here also I have created two read message from the CIP 161. This is actually my media PLC is the master, and another CIP 161 and C155 is the slave. Here I will read data from the CIP 166 61 sorry 161, and here media read message from the CIP 161. uh, okay, read message from C155. These are the two message instruction I use for the read data. And another the destination for the data is the media message CIP161, and media message from C155. The both all the tags have the same data configuration is the shared array, because we have master controller is also the shared array. Before to configure, you need to create the shared array. In the shared array you can create your required utilities as per your configuration, and you can transfer through the message instruction. Okay, here is the two write data, which is media message 1 and media message 2. Here I write data in the media message 1 and media message 2. For that similar thing in here also I created two tags, which is the message read from media, which is the message instruction, and message read from CIP is the message instruction. And here I configured two write data, which is C155 message 1 is writing data from this controller, is the C155 write. And read data from the media, and read data from the CIP16. These are the tags. So let's go to the main routine. In the main routine, you need to configure the message instruction. In the message instruction, you can configure your message. Here you need to add some NC-bit. This NC-bit refresh your messages every time, because message instruction works on every scan cycle. You need to reset, and it will it will read data on every reset. In the configuration, here you need to configure the CIP data table read. We want to read data from the source, which is source element is media message 1, and that number of element is 1, and destination element is C1 155 message media. In this tag we want to read data, and in the communication you need to select the communication media. Here I just selected the media controller. From the media controller it reads the data. In the tag data type, you just the message tag data type, message name, and here you see the that scope is the C155. And similar instruction I configured here for the CIP data table read, and here source element is CIP161 message 1 and element number is 1, then data destination is 1 C155 message CIP161. I read data here. And then in the communication you need to select the controller, which is the C1 CIP 161. And again the same thing, the similar thing we can configure in the last controller, uh, and here also you need to configure the similar thing. The message, my read message from CIP16 and read message from CIP C155. Here also you need to select the read data, CIP data table read, CIP161 message, and media message CIP161. You can read data from the controller. Okay, and the communication is also you need to select the controller here, and then you can able to see the data in your tags. Similar things also here you need to configure source, destination, and this data type, and the controller path. Let's see with the communication between the message instruction with the three controllers on next video.